If you logged in into your Seller Central recently, you have probably noticed two massive changes that Amazon just dropped on us. The first one is going to force you to rewrite your entire catalog, and the second one is going to change how you produce every single image for your brand. Hello, I'm Ruben Alikanian, founder of PAS Professional Amazon Services. My team and I manage and optimize Amazon accounts every single day. And right now, we are scrambling to get our partners compliant with these two new rules. Today, I'm going to break it down exactly what is happening with the new 75 character title limit and the new AI image declaration requirement, and what you need to do in order to protect your listings. So, let's start with the title change because the deadline is approaching very fast. Starting July 27th, Amazon is capping product titles in almost every category at exactly 75 characters, including these spaces. If your title is currently 200 characters long, packed with keywords and benefits, you have a massive editing job ahead of you. To compensate for this, Amazon is introducing new field called item highlights, which gives you an additional 125 characters to use. This content is searchable and visible alongside your title. But here is where sellers are going to be into trouble. Amazon is also offering an AI tool inside Seller Central that will automatically shorten your titles and move excess words into the highlights field. If you do not update your titles by July 27th, Amazon says they will gradually use this AI to update your listings for you. Do not let them to do that. This is not just a formatting update. It is a change to what your listing actually says. Amazon's AI is designed to hit character limits, not to protect your compliance posture. If their AI moves a risky claim from your title into your highlights, and that word triggers a suspension or reclassifies your product as a restricted item, Amazon will not care that they AI wrote it. They will just say it is on your listing. You need to export every title characters right now. Decide what stays in the title, what moves to item highlights, and what gets deleted entirely. Use the AI suggestion to drop, but you must be the one who click publishes. And that brings us to the second massive change. AI generated images. Amazon started asking sellers to declare whether their listing images are AI generated, specifically if there is an AI generated people are used in those images. Right now, nobody really knows exactly what Amazon is going to do with that data. Maybe it becomes a strict compliance requirement. Maybe it affects your search visibility. Maybe nothing happens for a while, but one thing is absolutely clear. Amazon is paying attention. And here is how I see and how we are advising our partners. If your product is already doing well and you have the budget, the safest path is still traditional photography and creative production. Use AI for research concept, competitor analysis, copy direction, and image planning. Use it to move faster. But when it comes to the final asset, real photography is absolutely bulletproof. If you're using AI images, be honest about it. Mark them as AI generated in the back end. Do not try to hide it. And whatever you do, do not create fake people, fake claims, fake results, or anything that can mislead the customer. There is actually legal reason for this now, too. As of June 9th, New York State passed a law requiring advertisers to disclose when they use AI-generated humans. What they call is synthetic performance in commercial ads. You cannot geofence New York out of your Amazon-sponsored ads. If you're running an ad with an AI-generated mom holding your product and you do not disclose it, you can face up to $5,000 fine as per violation. We do not know yet if Amazon will reward AI transparency, restrict it, or simply use this data to understand how sellers are creating content. But do not ignore the signal. The sellers who win in this new era will not be the ones who blindly use AI to generate their entire catalog. There will be the ones who use AI intelligently, stay transparent, and still build assets that actually help customers to make buying decisions. AI is not the problem. Bad, misleading, lazily creative is the problem. Get your titles under 75 characters before July 27th and audit your creatives for AI-generated people today. If you need help navigating these changes, my team at PAS is doing this every day. Reach out and we can take a look at your account. And until then, have a great day.